Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are back at it again, making once again another rug, because last time we did the Christmas rug and before that I had a Halloween rug on my door. And those are the only two front door rugs that I own. So today we are gonna make one that is for the rest of the time of the year. Now that Christmas is over, it is time to get that rug out of there. Christmas is done. So let's get it rolling. Let's get grooving into this. Yeah. This is what I want.
This is what I wanted, okay? This is the pastels.
This is what we're going for. So I'm gonna put that there. We are going to sacrifice the Vogue magazine of Jill Biden as a place for me to squeeze all my paint on into, because I don't have anything else. So thank you, Jill. Love you, girl. Okay, here we go. I'm just going and using the magazine to kind of trace around that border and then draw it out with a marker. Going in with the black paint and doing the border. Now this is the part where things are going really, really well for me, and it's going too well. Because later things are not going to go as well, as we will see later. Oh, yep, there it goes. Things went awry. I dropped paint and had to make those weird brown splotches. So that's what that is. I wanna draw the cat, but I'm really scared to draw the cat because I can't draw a cat. It's scaring me. It is scaring me to do it because I'm afraid I'm gonna mess up, but I need to not be afraid and I need to be a big girl about this. And also my cat almost sat in the paint, so that was fun. Okay, here we go, another time lapse. I'm basically just looking at the picture of the cat from the picture earlier and just drawing out what I think it should look like. And it didn't turn out half bad. I definitely feel like I could have made either the body smaller or the head bigger ultimately. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. So we're doing time lapse and we're drawing. Also, take a note of my pants. There's like so much like little pieces of doormat on my pants. And then it got everywhere throughout my apartment, like everywhere. And it took like 3 days for me, 3 days of vacuuming for me to like just get it all. Anyways, we're painting the cat now. It's really a bright orange, and I don't know why it doesn't look that bright in real life. Maybe just because it's fresh paint. Who knows? But anyways, that's the cat. The end. Okay, psych, not the end. I forgot that I had this clip. So yeah, I just did all of his little markings and his eyes, and he turned out cute. Do another time lapse. Oh, my voice was weird. Basically, I went outside and I was picking weeds because they just installed new turf and now the weeds are coming up through the turf. So yeah, enjoy this clip. He's like a little zoo animal. Don't bite me. I love you. Hello, today on Cooking with Lauren, we are cooking leftover pasta with some frozen pesto sauce. Once that comes out, we're just gonna pour this sauce on it, and that's it. Thanks for joining me today on Cooking with Lauren. Okay, after that interruption, I went back in and started painting all the little floral details, and I think this is supposed to be wheat, that first thing that I painted. Not really sure. I was kind of just not really going off of what they had in the picture. I was just kind of like doing my own thing, and some of them turned out cute. I think I could have done a better job on the leaves, but overall, I think it was really cute. She's all done. She's cute, and there's mistakes, but that's okay. Finally, you're gonna want to get some matte spray, because why? It's a matte. Duh. Yeah, I know, stupid joke. Anyways, here is the matte. She's cute. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.